we're making bird feeders.
How do we do it?
Okay, first we get a pine cone, and then we dip it in peanut butter. And then we spread it. Sometimes you have to like roll it around.
Oh yeah.
Then we put it in the bird seed.
These are pretty sparse pine cones, but
Yeah.
they'll do.
Yeah, they're pretty spiky.
Okay.
Okay, let's go and roll it. Roll it. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Think the birds are gonna like this?
Yeah. Besides, it has bird seed.
Is it done?
How about let's make the next one with oatmeal? Then it could be like dessert. They're dessert.
Are we done?
Yeah.
Now what do we do?
Tie this string onto the end of it. We just made a bird feeder.
Do you think the birds are gonna come eat?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We'll see.